guys. Hi, how are you? So I'm here again. So for today's vlog, I'm going to teach you how to manage your money. So as known as the financial statement. So according to Merriam-Webster, what is financial statement? So financial statement is a formal records of the financial activities and position of a business, person, or other entity. So that is the meaning of financial statement according to Merriam-Webster. There are types of financial statement. First is income. So income, which is your money that you receive, your own money. Second is expenses, the money you spent on something or whatever you want, whatever you spend on. So third is asset, which is the things that you owned, for example land, buildings, etc. So third is liabilities. So in our dialect in Visaya, we called it utang. Now I will teach you how to balance your money. So let's begin. Example of my weekly financial statement. So first is the income, which is the money that you have received or your money. So my weekly allowance is 1,500. So another is rent allowance. So I will pay my weekly rent allowance 225 pesos weekly. So the total of this is 1,725. So that is my total income. So next is the expenses. So expenses, which is the money that you spent on something. So I will spend my money weekly, which is first is rent allowance. So I will pay my rent allowance weekly 225. So another thing is my food. I will budget my food weekly 500. So I will spend my money weekly 500 pesos. So another thing is transportation from Maasin to Sugod and Sugod to Maasin. The total of this is 160. Another thing is personal things. So I budget this already. So it total 200. So the total expenses is 1,085 or 1,085. So that is my total expenses. After that, I already subtract my or minus my total income and my expenses. So I minus this. The outcome is 640. So this 640 is my cash flow, which is the remaining amount of money from my income and expenses that I spent on. So this is the remaining money from my weekly allowance, 640. So since I have no assets and liabilities, so I have nothing to liquidate or